In the heart of misty Transylvania, Count Dracula stood atop his ancient castle, gazing at the moonlit valley below. Once a valiant warrior, he had become a creature of the night, bound by a curse that turned his longing for love into eternal solitude. One fateful evening, as shadows danced in the forest, he met a maiden whose spirit shone like the stars. Their eyes locked, and in that fleeting moment, he felt the warmth of connection he had long forgotten. They danced under the moonlight, laughter mingling with the night air, a brief escape from his dark fate. But as dawn approached, the cruel truth settled in. He must retreat into the shadows, forever a prisoner of his own darkness. Their love was a beautiful yet heartbreaking melody, echoing through the ages. And so, Count Dracula remained, a figure of longing, forever searching for the light that could never fully embrace him.